Hey, my amazing creative humans. Today is Saturday, March 12th, 6:50 a.m. here in California time. And I'll just be working on some Etsy order. So I've been putting off since I've been learning digitizing. Sorry, I had to wear my hoodie because my hair is messy today. So anyways, so I've been putting off this Etsy physical order that I have to fill because I was just putting all my time and focus into digitizing. So I didn't film a video log this whole week. So this is just going to be a quick video log for next week of me just finishing some Etsy physical order for you guys. So let's just get to work, you guys. So this is just probably going to be a short video log because this is probably like the first day that I'm filming. I did have some physical order during the week and I finished most of them already, but these one I've been putting them off. So now I'm just getting to them and filming it for you guys. I didn't film anything since Monday, so yeah, so just film a little bit today. So anyways, let's just get to work, you guys, because gotta get things done, right? Hey you guys, so I just been working and now it's already lunchtime, so I'm gonna head to lunch. My husband made lunch while I finish my work, so yeah, I have to do other things. So this is my last shirt. I'm gonna tender touch all of them and ship it out today because I am late on these, so they gotta go today. So finish these Easter one. These are a sibling set, so I'm gonna come clean them up. Anyways, just a little quick. This is what I've been digitizing, you guys. Look at all the awesomeness that I've been making. The videos gonna be coming up so you guys can see me explain. So yeah, just some little things there. Anyways, I'll see you guys later if I have anything to share with you guys.
Bye everybody. Please like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time. Bye.